Hey guys, my name is Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about all things messy hair. I'm going to do 5 messy hair tutorials that are really quick and simple. I know you might be thinking, well, my hair is bone straight and it doesn't move like that, it doesn't stick like that. There is a video that I did recently all about how to make your hair look thick, and when you do that method, your hair stays much easier if it's not bone straight, and even if your hair is straight, it will work for you. You just need a mousse, you need to do the method that I show you. All these hairstyles that I'm gonna show you are possible if you do that method first. So go watch that video and then come back and you will see how easy these styles are to do. They literally, some of them just take seconds. So let's get started. The first one I want to show you is just like messy side up bun, okay? Okay, so once your hair is like this, you can kind of just volumize it a little bit. And then what you're gonna do is I want you just to take your fingers and go like this. I sometimes like this really big part because I like the look of a lot of dimension. You don't have to do it that way, but leave stuff in the front. The nice thing about having messy hair is the imperfections is what makes it beautiful. I'll kind of turn around so you can see. But once you have just your sides up and that amount in your hands, grab a binder. I just have a simple binder. And then just like you would a ponytail, I'm gonna turn around. You're gonna loop and loop it over again. And you can do it 2 or 3 times. So once it looks like that, then you're gonna pull it out, okay? Once you do that, you're gonna have lots of volume up there, and you can then take, bobby pins are gonna be your best friend. They're my best friend. And pin it so that it's up in the front. And then there you have it. Simple, took seconds. One other thing you can do is if you have your hair with your sides up, if you want to grab something like this, you can get these at like Claire's, Amazon. They literally just like look like you're wearing a scarf with it. You could put it over, and you don't need to do too much. I would just loop it once because you're not really using it to hold your hair from the back. It looks nice with the texture of hair. And then it gives you a little pop of color up top. So here's one. So the next one I'm going to show you is kind of just doing a whole bunch of things more on one side. So what I like to do to kind of frame my face a little bit more is once you have like a side part, move a lot of it over to one side. And when you do that, you're gonna have a lot more volume up top. I don't like too much volume there, so what I like to do is I like to just grab where I think looks good. You can have things framing your face, and I just take a bobby pin and slide it in. That way it kind of keeps it so it's not too big. And if you don't want any of that and you want all of it in there, you can just pinch the stuff that was in the front back into that bobby pin as well. And you want more of it like all into one spot, move it behind your neck. And if you wanted from here, you could do like an Elsa type of braid. And I'm just real messy with it, you guys. That's what's beautiful about it. There's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing, but it works. And I just do like a really loose braid. Okay, once you have it like that, then you can move things. And you can take more bobby pins and pin things where you want them. And I usually like things like coming from, I like things that are hanging down here. But you can go back here and you can pin in the back so that it all stays towards the front. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is a messy bun. This is super quick. I love this. I wear this almost every day to be honest, but it's just what works for me. I love it. It keeps the hair out of my face, and I like the volume, and I don't know if I feel like it makes my face thinner looking when I have something high on top of my head. What you're gonna do is there's two different ways I like to do this. One is more of an elegant way. So I'll part my hair where it's kind of on the side, but kind of in the middle. It's neither here nor there. Just pick what works best for you. And if your hair falls to one side naturally, that's fine. Just work with it. You want more on one side like this, I bobby pin it there. Then I like to do it like this on this side. So then I'll do the same thing, but you can tell that there's gonna be more here and less over here, but you're still creating volume. Put a bobby pin right there. I like things hanging down, so at this point in time, sometimes I'll pull things out a little bit. And then from here, all you're gonna do is the rest of your hair, now you're gonna put it up. So I grab it, okay, and then once you have it in, kind of push forward, and then you'll rubber band it like you would a regular bun. And now I just like to pull it forward. Okay, I like to bobby pin right in the front so that all of my volume will stay up in here. Okay, so there is one. Now if you want more of a simple looking one, and I think this can look really good like for fancy occasions. All right, so now I'm just gonna show you a different type of look messy bun. Fluff, fluff, fluff. All right, super simple. Kind of push your hair back like this, grab it all, lift it up. And it's all right if there's bumps and lumps, it's fine. We like that in our hair. Once you have it up like this, then you're just gonna rubber band it like normal, where you're kind of just going around and around, and then you're gonna pull out, okay? And then I pull towards in the front because I don't like a slicked back look. I think it looks more youthful when you have more hair all in the front. You don't want anything coming down. You don't have to, otherwise you can, you know, pull forward and pull some stuff out. Maybe just a little, or maybe you want little hairs here. You can do that. And if you want a bobby pin right now, and so the stuff in the front doesn't move, you can do that. Before I forget, if you like your hair just to have a little bit of something extra when you have a bun, I love silk scarves. Something like this, just fold it in half, like this, and then roll it. Starting from the wide going towards the corners. And then what you can do is once you have it like this, put it behind your head, over your ears, and tie it. How cute is that? I did all of those hairstyles in less than like 5 minutes. They're super simple. I hope you enjoyed them. If you like this type of content, please leave a comment below on different types of videos like this that you would like to see. If you haven't yet, I would love it if you subscribed. I'm newer to YouTube, but I am just having a great time. I have so many awesome videos coming out that you're not going to want to miss, so please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified right away when I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a really great day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.